Hey guys, it's been a little while. Sorry, I've been very busy moving and doing other things in my personal life. So every one of you guys out there are interested in upgrading your computer. I know a lot of people are doing that right now. So I had an old MacBook Pro that I had set up to two monitors, but I was running Zoom and different applications and it crashed. So pretty much what I did, I purchased a Mac Mini, 3 gigahertz, 6 core, 8th generation Intel Core, turbo boost up to 4.1, and with I modified it with 512 standard storage, and you can purchase this for around, I believe, $1,200. So I didn't get this is the highest model, but I did not do the upgrade. So I've been told that you definitely want to go with the more expensive unit. So let's take a peek. What comes with this Mac Mini 2020? Actually, that's not the right way, unfortunately. Okay. So let's see what's... So we got, put this first. I guess this is a cord. Oh, standard cord that you see for like the Apple TV. I like the color of it.